Hi, my name is Svetlana Ivanova, and this is a presentation for the final project of DFGMD E-26 WordPress programming. A few years ago, there was an event of which I was playing an important part, which provided the California homeowners with the opportunity to stand up for themselves in the case of institutional deception in their mortgage notes. Yes, this is happening, and there is probably not another way to put it. This website is dedicated to the person who was instrumental in its crowning victory in the Supreme Court of California. That is why we call it Casually Legal Matters, because legal actions matter. The website begins with a simple header with a gavel, judge's gavel, which basically means final decision. And then it jumps straight to, when you click on the image, you go directly to the case law, which means the case which is the purpose and the focus of this website. We walk through the option, brief explanation, a downloaded document, the original one, since already a lot of redacted ones have appeared, and that is not good for anyone, because redacted means concealing some of the truth, which is in the public domain. At the bottom of the first page, we have the image of the goddess of justice and a brief explanation of the core of the case from my point of view. The next page is created with pods, and it presents what is the beginning of a list of winning cases in the consumer defense. And we see here how the pods are created. There are only two cases. One is complete, the other is partially complete, since only the name is correct. But apart from that, this holds truth. We walk through the pods, contents, how it was created. I have a pods created for cases with many elements, which are very important, so that a user can log in and upload and provide information of other cases which have created important social effect, like winning a victory in a consumer case. The next page, we see the pods created for the attorneys, the code, the brief code to make it more effective. The pods have been very instrumental in creating numerous elements, and that begins to be the favorite part of mine in the creation of this website. The website walks through court cases, which is created with pods. Then we have articles, legal articles, which are created from numerous sources, most of them legal, others attorneys with legal blogs. And a lot of these simply reflect the truth of the court papers, including their own opinion, shall they have one, on the matter. And this is quite common because every attorney has an opinion on every case that comes out, only depending on which side they usually stand. Consumer attorneys usually stand for the homeowner. The articles which are in this website are derived from sources which are reliable, and they are going to become more numerous simply because the time available for this was not sufficient. The legal opinion impact is reflected in another page where it basically specifies what cases have benefited to spawn new growth of other beneficial cases for the homeowner. And that is quite an achievement. The page for the attorneys' profiles is the beginning of a roster of attorney profiles which have achieved and have a specific and strong point of view and stand in the legal community with their convictions and their integrity. And lastly, not in the last place, we have a page where it offers the user to log in, sign up with their password, and provide the exact information of the case they have read or they have heard or they are part of. And this is very important because there are constant motion, constant dynamical developments in every court in the United States, and we want to be on the top of the wave, so to speak. One of the very important pages in this website is the page devoted to the attorney Richard Antonini. This website is basically dedicated to his achievement. From every page we have a navigation on the left-hand side, and we have a navigation related to the blogs on the right-hand side, partially. At the bottom we have partial navigation, which includes the most important parts, like submit a case, legal cases, disclaimer, my story, and some of the very important and some of the less important ones at the bottom. This will facilitate the ability of any user to get to the information as soon as they possibly can.